hapon po. Yusek, kahapon nag-Facebook Live si Attorney Harry Roque and well, he mentioned a few points. Number one, he has once again reiterated his call for another people power revolution. Sabi niya there's nothing wrong with that because he was just asking for a peaceful gathering. Your thoughts on that?
Peaceful gathering? For what? For what? Anong purpose? When they can discuss this over YouTube channel nila, over social media accounts nila, and for what is that gathering? If they really for peace, why are they asking for the resignation of PBBM?
And another point, meron po siyang nasabi na during the time of former President Duterte, nagalit daw si First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos kasi hindi ibinigay kay PBBM yung position as Agriculture Secretary. Is there a truth to that?
Fake news? Fake news. Prove it.
So ibig sabihin, hindi nagkaroon ng discussion between former President Duterte and PBBM about a particular position during his time.
Patunayan niya po muna bago tayo magkomento.
Thank you, ma'am.